What are the skills that you're going to master inside of Gardenery 365? I want to show you all the things you're going to learn inside of our Gardenery courses and all the things you're going to grow and master as part of the membership community. You can start with growing your own organic herbs. Inside of Gardenery 365, you get full access to the Herb Garden Guide. The Herb Garden Guide is a 3-module course that teaches you how to put together this exact herb planter. This is a steel planter that I put on wheels. It's locked right now, but you can move it and roll it around into the sun, out of the sun. And inside the Herb Garden Guide, you're gonna learn how to build your own, the right soil blend to use for your own herbs, and then how to plant your herbs so you get loads of growth all season long. The promise of the Herb Garden Guide is that once you're set up, you can grow enough herbs to have a year-round supply. Some herbs you're gonna have right away, fresh from the garden, and other herbs you're gonna pick, hang to dry, or preserve so that you can enjoy them all the months of the year. Even when you may have snow or frost on the ground, you'll be having your own organic herbs by learning from the Herb Garden Guide. Next up, you'll learn how to grow your own organic salad greens. You're never gonna be able to see grocery store greens again in the same light after you've learned to grow your own. Inside of Gardenery 365, we teach you how to build this exact raised bed. The simplest and most affordable raised bed you can build, how to fill it with the right soil for your salad plants, and how to grow enough greens to give you at least 6 months supply right from your very own garden. Salad gardening is one of the most rewarding ways to garden, and you'll learn how to do it inside of Gardenery 365. Once you've mastered herbs and salad greens, it's time to build your own beautiful raised bed kitchen garden. Inside of 365, you get access to all of Kitchen Garden Academy, which teaches you in the first 4 modules how to design, build, create your own beautiful raised bed kitchen garden, including the borders, the pathways, the actual details on the raised bed, and even selecting and creating your own trellises. It's all inside Gardenery 365. Once you have your raised bed set up, there is no end to what you can grow. In modules 5 through 8 of Kitchen Garden Academy, you're gonna learn how to understand your seasons, how to make planting plans, and how to make the most of every square inch in your own kitchen garden so your harvest basket is full each and every week. Herb gardening, salad gardening, and kitchen gardening, that's just the beginning of what you'll learn inside of Gardenery 365. Each and every month, we challenge you to pick one thing to focus on mastering in the garden, whether it be herbs or greens or any other thing from the kitchen garden. Then we take it a step further by giving you a monthly challenge to build a new habit into your garden-centered life that you can keep for life. Finally, each and every month, we give you coaching and instruction straight from the garden, diving into the details with our Gardenery framework of particular plants, helping you know how to grow them and succeed with them no matter where you're gardening. Can you imagine what your days will feel like when they're centered around the garden? When you head out every day to pick something new, to learn something new, to experience what nature offers you right outside your own back door. Gardenery 365 gives you all the tools you need to create a garden-centered life for yourself. You can sign up for Gardenery 365 right away. So find the link on this page, and as soon as you sign up, you get immediate access to all the courses we just walked you through: the Herb Garden Guide, Salad Garden School, and Kitchen Garden Academy, plus so much more. So click here to get started, and let's begin your garden-centered life together.